morning, everybody. This is Baby from the New Trader, and this is Marie. Yeah, let's see which opportunities we find in this market today. SPY's pumping up. It finished yesterday pretty much at all-time highs. And today we have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. All that came up already at 8:30 today. So we have at one Baker Hughes oil rig count. That doesn't move much the market. So there is not anything coming out. What was going to be coming out, it's already out. Which are those numbers for the unemployment rate, which non-farm payroll. So unemployment, the previous was 4.2%. This one is 4.3%. A little bit higher by a little bit. I will say pretty much insignificant, unless we take a look at the ADP that came out, I think 2 days ago, or yesterday, I don't remember. So non-farm payroll, that number have came down quite a lot. Like the non-farm payroll was about 130,000, 150,000. Right now, the previous one was 79,000. The consensus was 75K. And the actual non-farm payroll is 22K. That's a very, very, very low number. So the lowest I probably have seen since I am looking at those things. And SPY react quite good at it. Unemployment higher, non-farm payroll way lower. I guess that's the reading on that. It's like lower inflation, I guess. We're gonna see what the market wants to do. So Mary, how are you doing today?
Doing better than yesterday. Absolutely.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool for sure. I'm doing better. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the market is providing for us today. Pretty crazy numbers this morning.
Yeah, it's
How are you doing, Davey?
pretty good to it's Friday finally. So as I say, in the past I didn't believe I was going to be saying those things, but yeah, finally Friday. So and just we are today, we are a little bit earlier, which is good. That's the plan. We want to be earlier as much as possible, but just to be able to look at those levels. Like right now I'm doing Tesla, so I don't know what else do we have. What are you looking at? I saw you were looking at AVGO.
Yeah, AVGO is just freaking on fire. Like that freaks me out. Expensive stock, but wow, what a beautiful, beautiful play there. So I'm looking at that. I was looking at AVGO. I was surprised to see because it's low. It's not a lot of volume, but it's definitely gaining more interest this morning, being the fifth for me, or fourth for me in Arval, in relative volume, very very high is QURL. I'm just not seeing something clear here. I would like it to retest the view.
I don't think we got reading that.
But I looked at Nvidia as well. I'll have to go at a bigger time frame there. Oof. Wow. Okay, so it would be there. Yeah, so $3 is definitely possible. So maybe not QURL. So the other one was Irene, and I was looking at Hims and Hers.
Hims and Hers, okay.
Yeah. And what are you looking at, Davey?
Well, right now I'm looking at the usual thing. I look basically Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, PLTR. Though this time, today, I am taking a little longer into what is those volume profile things that we were doing. So I'm trying to get to them as much as I can, because right now there is not much to do, to be honest. We just have to see the market is looking strong. Like when we look at SPY right now, it's pumping up and it's holding very well above the moving average. But I kind of don't have a clear sign of where I want to go in any of those trades. So yeah. So but yeah, more than that, just like I'm gonna try to be as patient as possible. Like try to not chase as much as yesterday. As if you can remember yesterday, I was chasing a lot of prices that I shouldn't. So yeah, but more than that, we're good. So let's see what Mother Market offers us. So yeah, I don't know if I answered your question. I think.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, like this market is it's very nice. Like it's interesting because like I mean, I didn't expect the SPY to finish all-time high yesterday. To be honest.
No, I didn't think all-time high as well. I knew that it was going to go like higher.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it looked bullish. When I'm looking at the tape, when I'm looking at the RSI, I'm looking at the volume. I thought that it looked bullish, but I didn't know that there's no way I was saying all-time high. Holy cannoli.
Yeah, especially like we kind of like what was yesterday? Was there any news that you think that will trigger that? Like
Not that I've seen.
like I don't think any of the number we saw was relevant to it. So I say Tesla. Especially like because the stocks that we are trading, they are not at all-time highs, you know. Like Tesla is still fighting with 345, something like that. Nvidia, I don't know, like I think it was like 150. Nvidia, no, 168. But yeah,
What concerns me about Nvidia is that it pulls back when the market pops.
well, there is a lot of
I know
controversy
exactly.
now on Nvidia because of China thing, but
Exactly.
we have to keep it real, like you know, like in the matter that, yeah, like as anybody, they're gonna have competition, and like what you do about it, you know, it's like there is a performance reality, and like for example, like and like let's say like it's not as simple because, but let's say like it's a thing that you can bring to a bigger spectrum. Like people have all the time laugh at AMD microchips compared to Nvidia. Like they are very good. AMD is, but let's say like we know that they are behind all the time. AMD is behind Nvidia. Like they do very nice microchips, but like let's say, look how we laugh from generations, well generations from like decades, like that we say, oh, if you wanna have a heater, just like in your basement, just get your AMD. Like it's gonna perform well, but it's gonna be heating up your basement. So, like, it's just technology different. Like, I mean, it's
Okay.
like there is a gap. What I'm saying is, I think though there is a lot of competition and things like that, Nvidia is still top notch on those. Like, if you want to get the best of the best, and you have the way to go through that, even if you are a company, Nvidia is the way to go. So that makes any sense.
Mm-hmm. Look at AMD at 157. That's crazy.
This is
Like 157 has been a resistance for 1, 2, 3 times in recent. And now, if we're looking at now, the biggest position is 157. I like that. It's so close to 157. Not sure if it's going to offer it, but that's low. When you're looking at the PCL at 161, I know they had
which one are you talking about?
downgrade.
AMD?
AMD had a downgrade, but whew, like I think at 157, that looks pretty interesting. But right now it's at the VWAP, it's gaining a lot of strength, VWAP, and things seems to be, the MACDs are separating. So I'm thinking, oh, this could be interesting.
Pretty cool stuff. So you see the process I'm doing right now with those things. That's something like if I am gonna be looking at those things, I have to sit down here way earlier.
Correct. I agree with you. I find we're a little I'm gonna put one in. And then I think I'm gonna put one that's a little bit front running it.
So that's what I'm doing. Está fácil, Morani.
Oh, I know I'm gonna regret this.
What are you going to regret?
I'm gonna put an order in INTC, and guess who's not gonna get picked up? Ugh.
So what we do? We talk about it. You have the chance to fix it. No?
Yep.
From running just a couple cents, like all the time is what 1-2 cents. So does that worth to risk 1-2 cents more for?
Yep. And I'm gonna do another one at 50.
Sounding like Mr. Obvious there, but you know.
Hey, hey.
I have to say it if we want to improve it.
I agree. You know what? I'm gonna go even more than that. I'm gonna go 6 cents.
Look at you.
We'll see.
Being generous with the what was that? INTC.
Mm-hmm.
Probably one of the only names that I wouldn't give more than what I would like. But I don't have your reading tape skills, so
The what?
I don't have your reading tape skills, so
You're funny. Okay.
So last one, Tesla. Come on, my guy, you can get this.
Okay.
Consumiendo, sencillamente usted amada mía. So market is going to be opening very soon.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to stop doing what I'm doing. As I say, this is not the time to do this. I was supposed to be doing this way earlier. But yeah, so drop off a red line. I have to do it in it. So red line, horizontal red line. Red line.
Okay, so I've got my orders in.
Okay, so that will be so PLTR. Market just
Okay.
open. Everybody have fun. Be safe. This market is crazy, you know. Ooh la la. Okay, I have an order to get long Nvidia. I know it's tanking right now. INTC, got you.
Oh, and AMD just wiped my butt.
So I got short on AMD. Se va consumiendo. Parararam. Sencillamente te amo a mí. Se va consumiendo. Así, tum, tum, tum.
Okay. Got SoFi's printing. Wow, SPY's not doing much, eh?
Está en nuestros sueños. No va a volver a casa si no estás. Sabes, mi amor, que noche eterna.
Okay. Got a good trade for SoFi.
I got a bad one for AMD. No, I'm kidding. It's just a matter of time. It's just
Oh, AMD brought me to the gleaners. Let's go. What you gonna do? There we go.
What you gonna do when I come? Bad boys, bad boys.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay.
What you gonna do when I come for you?
Should have loaded up on the sofa.
If you don't know about the cleaning,
You don't know what?
don't listen to me. My brain is dead today, you know.
Well, you've been really going at it, studying and everything. And
Let's have a huge day today.
you wanna what?
We're gonna have a huge day today. You're gonna see.
You gonna have a huge day?
Huge day.
I like it.
But if I do that, I will commit to sit down earlier here.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
It's not a bad thing, right?
No, we have a phrase that is getting the bull by the horn.
Bull by the horn. Yeah, we have that too.
So it's like, especially like people like Blas and things like that. We use that when we are like, when we kind of know that we are slacking on something, and like, it's, you know, like shake yourself up and like get the bull by the horn. Lo sabes, mi amor, qué noche eterna, presiento que no estás en esa estrella, gato que está triste y azul, nunca se olvida que fuiste mía. 3,000 lot, almost 4,000 lot was right now at 154 on AMD. Right now they adjusted, it's only 3,100. So that's supposed to push the price super high, and it's not doing that right now. So watch out, it might be a bull trap. I say that especially I'm short on it. Like, not that I care much about that size in there, but I am watching it as a point of reference because that might be the next resisting point. So, but we're gonna have to be nimble here because if that doesn't hold, if that hold is dangerous. If that doesn't hold, it can be juicy toward the downside. I have my order to get Tesla. I have my order to get Nvidia. None of them have hit yet. Tesla still quite far from it, so I could be looking the other way on Tesla, but AMD, what is my target on AMD? About, ooh la la. Yeah, okay, so I just need another trade, probably PLTR. Let's see. PLTR, where are you? Oh, PLTR is in the no touch that thing right now. So I actually can touch it. You know, I'm okay with that. I am not scared of it. It's just, do I want to do that? Only if I am not chasing it, right?
Yep,
That's a fair statement.
I think it is.
So if I am not chasing it, y el stop loss is going to be there because that's how you're supposed to do it. So I want to go short.
Okay. I'm gonna break even there.
So I have an order to get PLTR too. So I'm not being picky enough, but I am not chasing it. So if he wants to behave funny, AMD, as I say, I have to keep paying attention to AMD because this one I did chase it, but I have faith on it because whoever is selling there is selling from 3 days ago about.
Yeah, so when is it gonna stop?
Yeah, with the market at all-time high is the reason to keep selling, profit taking and things like that. So why not? So if you break that 154, it's not gonna be pretty. So instead of going long from that, why? Because when you see such a size, like you wanna see the price kind of going away from it, and it's not doing that. Nvidia is more bullish right now. But even Nvidia, I think, is a little bit. What do I need? Tesla. Yeah, in Tesla, I'm gonna be very quiet there. I know where. Though the target, like I can probably make money in the way up on Tesla, if I am right. Let's see. Yeah, let's make money on the way up on Tesla. But I don't want to chase it. Let's try to get it at 350. So I have an order to get Tesla. So you have SoFi and INTC. Oh, SoFi. Oh, holding good that SoFi. You're long. Yeah, very nice. INTC as well, I guess. INTC. No va a volver a casa si no estás, lo sabes mi amor, qué noche eterna, presiento que no estás en esta estrella. Tesla is gonna go for my shorts before it's gonna go for the long. That's beautiful. I don't want that long anymore. I want the short. Like Tesla, I have an order I want at 357.
Okay.
And it was just at 351, below 351 a couple minutes ago. And I say I can get it from 350 through to 370, to 357 because I know it's gonna go to 357. And then it's like I say, well, go long, and then you flip your short at the 357. But it didn't get me because he got into the kaboom moment right now, and it's looking fantastic toward the upside. PLTR went without me too, toward the short. So it's a little bit annoying because I am not jumping on it. But at the same time, it's like this is what I need to do. Why I'm taking some little hit on AMD? Well, because I chase it.
Oh.
it did exactly what I was expecting it to do. So now, for me to get rid of that trade, you're gonna have to probably hit my target. So it's still TR juicy enough. Okay, let's get little shares on PLTR because am I chasing by that? Yes, I am chasing by that. Man, but that's too many dollars against me already. So okay. No, no. What just happened?
No, what?
Oh my goodness! Did you see PLTR?
No.
Look at that wick. I canceled my order on PLTR. Hehe. No like that, my guy. No like that. They are playing ping pong on with the price.
Which one?
With both Nvidia, with all of them. Nvidia, probably PLTR no. Yeah, PLTR no, but Nvidia and AMD. There is like it's very choppy in a specific price. So so I have to be out of the AMD. He hold the price, but there is nothing. Doing good on NTC.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. Jeez. Really?
Jeez Louise.
Jeez Louise. Talk to me, Davey. What trade do you have?
Right now I only have AMD. I have my order to get Nvidia. I have my order to get Tesla. Tesla, I regret to not go long earlier, but it's just what it is. So I have a little bit of FOMO for AMD because I chase it and like I haven't been willing or able to fix my price. Because the way it's trading, it can shake me out, then move in my favor. So I decide to not do my price until I am completely wrong. But let's see. Sorry.
What the hell? What are those wicks there for?
I like you. Well, you saw my impression, my surprise in Palantir. Look at Palantir, like
That's what?
like
A
that.
$2 wick?
Almost a $2 week. Yeah.
Jeez. We got wicks everywhere. I just had a 20-cent wick on the. Alright. Like, what are those wicks for?
Well, Tesla is looking good. It's getting to my level.
Okay, so we've got a good pullback here on SPY.
So I have an order to get Palantir now. Come on, my guy. You can do it. You can do it.
You're where?
My order is at 55.69. 155.69 to go short.
SPY's still pulling, which makes me a little bit worried for my INTC, but INTC is just whooping. Go INTC. PCL butter.
Ah, la 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 la.
Butter.
Oh yeah, but you are going against a big liquidity candle. Yeah, for sure. It's gonna work out a couple of shorts for sure too. So I should be able to get into that process.
Let's go. Okay, it's close to my first partial on the INTC, 2480. You know what? That's the top. Take your partial.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Jala jala. Well, everything is looking so weird and going down. Guys, look at Tesla.
Like, just so that you know, I'm listening to different news, different channels, and they're blowing their minds.
Well, the only thing that's gonna blow off is my account. I get what you mean. It's like, these things are with who one? Like, there is a specific stock or with everything? Because it's so.
It's so wiki.
Yeah.
And
so.
coming back in, the popping back up, the non-correlation between stocks. They're like.
We live in a world of distortion. Lately.
Well, it's like no, it's like.
It's the understatement.
Yeah, it's like the. What's that title song on the Twilight Zone?
Title tone.
Okay, hold on to your.
Man, I have on my order like 3 or 4 times to get Palantir, and it's like I told you, I put my order at 160 at 155.69 last time. On Palantir, it went 3 cents and it didn't get me. So
And was it long?
I am going short. It's like you
Okay.
have a strong reason to go long in the thing. Like the only long I would like today because of the thing I'm trading, it will be Tesla. But it didn't pick me up. Like the same thing I was telling you, you get your orders like a little bit above, like you.
Yeah,
so
right. That doesn't get you.
Yeah, and even like that, like I mean, yeah. So for Palantir, like I mean, we like at some point I'm just gonna be looking long because.
Okay, be careful now. Seems like
Just that
we're
trade.
running out of sellers for the SPY. We seem to. They're they're losing power. We'll see what's going to happen. But is it possible that SPY is going to go and pull back to the PCL? Come on, man. That's strong.
You know what? They're gonna focus in what I have. I only have AMD, so I didn't get Palantir. I didn't get anything else. So just let it be. I told you. I told you so. What happened with the 154? I'm telling you, 4,000 lot. Then they adjusted because as we say all the time, like it's like the first impression is an overshoot. And then the shooting is rebalanced. So, but like going like 3,000 like that, I don't want you to pierce that by 1 penny. I mean, like it's a huge order, and you are just going against it because there is not much motivation to go long right now. With the market at all-time high, probably I'm gonna be looking long on Palantir whenever it approaches the 153. But right now, it's not looking like if it wants to go there. I missed that trade a couple times. So. My friend Tesla, I probably gonna add to Tesla a little bit ahead, like $1 ahead. For Tesla, we know that's nothing. So, but up to now, I only have got 1 trade. I have no more trades, just 1 little trade.
That's funny when you say that. Just 1 little trade.
Here we go. Money talk.
Yeah, it's like well, oh, Tesla. It's ridiculous to think that Tesla is gonna reverse from 357. It makes no sense for Tesla, to be honest. So I'm gonna take the short, but I'm gonna be very responsible with that short. Because if I am wrong, it can go 368. About $10 against me, so you don't want that.
No.
Palantir. So what is the low on Palantir right now? 153 44. It bounced back depending from yesterday's low. So 153.44. That is about $1 off. So if I want a bid below, it will be the 153.05.
153.05.
Yeah.
Hola.
Hello.
Hola, Bloody.
So yeah, like for Palantir, like but I want to see some sizes on the tape that I don't see right now. But like below like above 153, I kind of don't like the loan. So that's just a little bit of there. So I don't know what happened with my lines here, but like I lost one important line I have in my charts. That's PLTR, that's NVDA. Did I lost in all of them? No, NVDA I have it, okay. So NVDA is gonna make a lower low and then you're gonna be looking long. As I say, let's make the biggest day today. How I gonna do that? As I say, like today I want to infringe pain on the market instead of the market on me. So, man, why I don't have my lines? So AMD, NVIDIA, I put an important line here and I don't have them now. Still able, only on NVIDIA I have it. So oh my goodness. No va a volver a casa si no estás. No sabes, mi amor, qué noche eterna. Presiento que no estás en esta estrella. Yeah, I should be okay with getting the 53 on PLTR. Let's see. So PLTR longish. There we go. So I have an order to go long PLTR, and I'm just gonna wait for AMD to bleed until tomorrow. You have INTC and NVIDIA. You are NVIDIA long.
I think I'm gonna be getting out. You're gonna reprint 167. That's
Hey,
the price I wanted.
There's a pullback enough that I may want the long. I know I'm being picky with this one, but it's the right thing to do, you know. Oh, we just got PLTR long.
Oh,
That can move about 40 cents against me. That's something I know. At least about 40 cents. Let's say 50, but I give it enough space to move. But it's not doing that, so it's just trying to go back up. So let's see. Oh my goodness.
wow.
Did I mistake on Nvidia that I see you going on at that price? Like, not because like it's just like I find my price.
What's your price?
I'm gonna tell you right now where I have my order. My order for Nvidia is at 165.90.
Oof. Well, I'm thinking it will be reprinted. Like, if it doesn't reprint 167, I need to be out. But 166.80 seems to be something that they're respecting, but we'll see.
So
There's a big order at 166.50.
Okay. So I know I'm going counter here, and do I want to leave Tesla alone? That's the question there. AMD, I'm gonna be taking some partials very soon. Man, it's gonna do my. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You are quiet. Stay quiet. Just don't look at that thing for now. Oh my goodness! Look at 152. Now 154. Like I have a free trade there. Like I technically could add to that trade, but let's be okay. Let's be nice. I won't do to you, market, what you do to me. Because you are my mother market. So, right?
Eh?
Because it is my mother market.
It's yours.
The market is our mother. So what did I get? What did I get? I get NVIDIA long as well. Ooh la la. So we have to start emptying the PLTR, that's a for sure. So 152 is gonna be our first partial for no PLTR, AMD. Sorry, AMD. Yeah, for AMD, I'm gonna be taking a partial right there. Go for it. Okay. Right now, PLTR move what is supposed to move against me. Let's see. If he prints lower than that, I don't want it. AMD. Oh my god. Go for it.
Yeah, so crooked.
Who's cricket?
Me.
Pourquoi?
It's cricket. Because at the beginning I said that is it possible that SPY's going to pull back to the PCL, and I'm taking a long on NVIDIA when it hasn't reached the PCL. Look at the position of 165. Yeah, come on. On NVIDIA.
Okay, that's not good for my analysis. It's like PLTR right now is bleeding a little bit too much. I be there, Marie. It's just I have
No. No, I've changed. I'm looking at something else. It's just that I was surprised to see that kind of position there.
Man, why are you stressed about this? You say it already. It's a free trade. You know why it is a free trade, no? I can explain that later. I actually gonna explain that in my recap. But this trade on AMD is a free trade. It's not free because I am taking a risk. But what matter here is that big line that I put there, the blue line here. I doubt it's gonna break
And
down.
I bet it's at one. What's the value of that?
It's at 154. But what is relevant there is that it had first 4,000 lots and then 3,000 lots. It went through like border, and like on top of going through like border, it did the two is a checkpoint. Like basically, it didn't break the VWAP because he had a lot of sellers at the VWAP. So and right now that's probably gonna be the resistance. As I said, it's gonna become the next resistant point.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't wanna be too. Ooh, we got Tesla short. Okay, we got Tesla long. Okay, so Tesla long. I wanna be out of Tesla specifically at that price, so I have the order already there, so I don't have to be concerned about Tesla for now. PLTR is the one that is a little bit sketchy. Yeah, PLTR got me out. So I probably won't shoot that PLTR anymore because I was looking short. I mean, I say that, but like, let's see. That's 151. So I'm gonna put the order there. If he get me, get me. If he doesn't get me, I'm gonna be okay with that. And that order is at 151. It's actually quite high. Not quite low. It's at 150.80. Are you kidding me? Tesla is not moving as much, so that's a little bit concerning there, but especially because I consider Tesla supposed to reverse. You can load up the boat on NVIDIA if you want. Is that correct? Oh yeah. Why I feel this wrong? Oh, I'm a dollar off from. I gave you a wrong price for NVIDIA. Yeah, I give you the wrong price for NVIDIA. Though I have it too. I have the price I gave you because that's why I was wrong. But so I add to Tesla right there, and that's my last ad for Tesla. AMD, we're gonna start cashing out the AMD. So shares I remove from AMD are shares that are gonna be adding to NVIDIA. So this is AMD, but that's Tesla, no AMD. So what I have to do on AMD, I have to I have a short, so I have to liquidate a bit.
Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So as I say, shares I remove from AMD, shares that I add to NVIDIA, and let's dip a bit below my price again. I need you to go lower, 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 lower. Go red a bit. Okay, there we go. And yeah, shares I remove from AMD, shares I add to NVIDIA. So, oh my goodness, what is going on with them? So let's be welcome with this AMD, my guy, because that's a big tree, and that's you are well more than served on that one. So
Nice.
no, nice. I didn't.
You went long? No, short, right?
I am short from Lomago. I just by mistake I add to the short,
Oh,
but I have the all out. So we're gonna be all out very soon. So we're just gonna be all out without much stress about it. I need to liquidate there. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So AMD is gonna get me all out. You will see very soon. Tesla is uncomfortable at the price it is right now. So we got PLTR one more time. So I'm gonna get myself out of AMD. I'm very welcome with that trade. So yeah, and I don't want to stretch my luck. You know, that's not how it works.
Money talk.
So
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Tesla, I'm gonna walk away from Tesla. Why? Because Tesla is not holding. So Tesla. Holy crap, my guy! It's so hard to be a trader.
it's what?
It is so hard to be a trader.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and get out of Tesla. You do nothing on Tesla right now, my guy. Walk away. You should be not picky and short it when you wanted to short it, but yeah. So PLTR tanking again. But PLTR is a different trade right there. Like that's I didn't expect to get that price, but I got it. So I'm just gonna hold it there and see what it wants to do. So I say shares I remove from AMD are shares I will add to Nvidia. So let's see, there we go. I add that little to Nvidia. Let's see if it does or not. But Nvidia is also gonna get to the price. I told you I gave you a wrong price.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So right now, it's going toward that price that is the right price. And if it is the right price, it has another $1.20 to move down, which is not good, my guy, not good. So it shouldn't get there, but as I say, who am I to say those things? So right now I'm really flat, like really like 21 cents profit because of the trade on Tesla. Tesla really punched me on the face. So the big order you say was in a 164 or it was a 165 on
165.
Nvidia? On Nvidia?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put a. Oh, it didn't get there. It didn't print 165. Oh, we should be okay, man. We should be totally okay. So I say, we're gonna make it big. And Mary's gonna say, how did you do that? And then it's just a work in progress. It's
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I am going to cry. Yeah.
You are missing NVIDIA?
Yep.
Pourquoi?
Oh.
My uncle wake up today like wanting to talk.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, like he sent me because it's funny that he know that, but like whenever like he say like he sent me that it's an audio. He say good morning. One of the things that you like to listen to, and it's a scientific like podcast about
nice.
about hydrogen. And like
It's
but
nice.
then we just talk a little. I say, hey, we are coming soon. And he say, okay, let me know. We're gonna get the pig.
We're gonna roast a pig.
Man, yeah, even PLTR not holding again. I mean, nothing is holding. So, do I consider them bad trades because they are not holding? No, but it's funny that they are not holding. With the market at all-time high, so you didn't lose anything, Marie, on
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA, yeah.
So the position of 165 is there now. So what you gonna do now?
When I come for you.
Oh! Took 165. That's insane.
That's my target. That's my target. I need to go long. Okay. I will go.
150.
Yeah, it is. Look at the. Actually, no. My target is 149.48. one of the biggest problem is that I decided to go counter, and like I like that's a little bit of me being sleepy. Like I didn't have to go counter. I took some Tesla again, but yeah. So I'm gonna add more to Tesla. I think I know what I'm doing. I think I know what I'm doing. So let's see. Do you have any trade, Marie? No.
No. I am waiting for things to reverse. Like it's everything's screwed up.
And how did it look at the open? You know, like how was the day? Everything looks so fantastic. Like, oh yeah, we're gonna go higher. Yeah, for sure. AMD I sold too early. But
Yeah, no kidding. If you were short, oof.
yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Do I have a bad price for Nvidia? That's a right question, I think. So I don't have a bad price. But what I would like to see is the clear up of the 165. Like even AMD, like I know I say like, oh yeah, it's still too early, but that's about the price, you know. Like you going long in there around there. If you are a little bit patient, I don't think it's a bad price. So, but do you have the discipline and being nimble and say, you know what, like at the end, if you fry me, it's not my fault. Like I am really following my plan. I am following my plan today. Like PLTR, I chase it a bit, but like I make money on PLTR. No, I lose money on PLTR, as usual. So yeah, let's see. Why did you decide to sell today?
They can't find news. They're searching.
No,
They
it's-
cannot find news.
It's
They
the all-time
don't
high
say
thing, I guess. It's like
that people are grabbing liquidity,
just
right?
profit. Like look,
Yeah.
Google is green today, but look at Nvidia. You remember 3 days ago?
There was a
then-
reverse.
like 3 days ago, it was very green. It was a pop-up day, but then yesterday it was red by a little bit. Well, by roughly 1%. Today is roughly 1% higher. So the problem is that patience, man. To exercise that patience is what is not easy. Can I comment on your trade?
Yeah,
Too tight. The right
I
thing?
agree.
Too tight. It's okay. But like
Yeah, because it's 150. I just didn't want to lose more on that one. Because you're right. It's really tight.
yeah, but like for example, look at the 150,
Yeah.
1,000 lot.
But is it going to repel? Or
I
is it
think it's
go?
gonna hold. If you give it enough room, it should hold. It's 65 cents from there. You probably won't. You probably won't even get to him. And like, let's say if you rationalize it, it's a one like, whatever you risk, I think your maximum profit on it is gonna be 54. So if you get it at 150, you can go out at 54. Sorry for commenting too much.
No,
on
no,
that.
I love it.
That's the way I am.
Yeah,
actually
no,
looking
and
at it, so-
I actually agree with you that it was too tight.
You know, with the new things that we are studying, and like more and more, like I know we have those brain fire from very long. Like it's something that we have been talking and talking, but like I find that the market really doesn't care about news. Like it doesn't care about headlines and things like that. Yes, it can react very fast in something like Trump saying something and that's I guess is for a period of time that it could do that. But at the end, there is a whole mechanism behind that has to see so much with share structures that is what actually domain the movement of the and like I have
But
been,
it can make it move
it
to
would-
that.
yeah, but then those things just favor. Like for example, and this is something probably I didn't like to share without having enough information because this specific part that I'm gonna mention right now, I have to sit down and really do an investigation on that, a research.
Okay.
So, like we are looking for what on the tape? Big sizes.
Correct.
So, but what I am noticing now is that when those things that we call land of nobody, where somebody like where there is very low volume, like it's like let's say if I am a market maker or if I am a participant that have enough money, enough buying power, you are able to get like when the stocks get closer to those prices, you are able to really make it go one way or the other based on like the lack of interest. For example, if you are having a fight and the other guy and the fight is like, okay, for me to win I have to cross the other side of the ring, but you have a fighter in front of you and this fighter is a seller. So once the fighter is not there, you can just run through it,
Absolutely.
even if you have no enough power to go there if there will be a seller. So what I'm finding is that in those low liquidity spot, like when the news or when a bigger participation show up at around those prices, they are able to make it move drastically, depending on what they are. Because there is low liquidity, you can be a seller, but you can be a buyer. So
Absolutely.
so
I like that analogy.
But it's just a weird like while you have been looking all the time well for a higher volume. But wait for what I'm suggesting here. You don't want to look for a higher volume. You want to look for where there is nobody, and then you want to see what happened in there, and then you decide, okay, from what happened in here, I can go long or short.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Watch out for Nvidia. Like you have Nvidia, no, you don't have Nvidia. Have AMD.
Yeah.
So I literally like I am red, but I'm red 1 hour. Like the rest is like if I make a good money on Nvidia, it's gonna be all profit. So let's see. And why did I say I decided to go counter? And like why? That's why I am taking more heat than usual. Look at the moving average. All the moving averages are on top,
Yep.
and I have took just one short on AMD. The rest have been long. So I am. This is trending down. I'm trying to go up. So it's the hardest thing to do normally. Like
Yeah, to go absolutely.
the trend is your friend until it proves to not be your friend. But we have a lot to see also with how really I feel about today. Like because I say like I think I click on that one. So let's prove if I am right or wrong. If I am right today, it's gonna be bigger than the day you saw that this day. If I am wrong, it's gonna be as big in the red.
I do believe it's important.
And I have the same sizes. Like the only thing I did, like if you notice, right now I don't have PLTR or I don't have AMD. The reason why I don't have that is because the liquid, like the shares I removed from one, I put it in what I consider the best setup. So because I consider NVIDIA a best setup than AMD and a best setup than PLTR, instead of me taking two separate trades, I am putting a little bit more force in the one I believe a little bit more.
I like that. And that's exactly what you should be doing. You are rocking it.
Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna see, Maria. As I say, I give you the wrong price, and I took the wrong price.
Yeah,
And,
for sure.
and that's why I am taking heat here. But like, I believe on my trade, and I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, the fight between Broadcom and Nvidia. I see the guys having that thing here. That's trading the word like Broadcom and Nvidia.
Yeah, it's huge, right?
Yeah.
What's the ticket for Broadcom?
To be honest, I don't know, Marie. Like I never seen. I never trade Broadcom. Let's look for that. Mary, what is the ticket for Broadcom? You tell me what is the ticket for Broadcom. Like, I'm not being funny here. It's just like is this the stock that you have been looking at?
Shut the hell! So that's the one that I keep saying,
Yeah.
oh my god, I love that one. Oh, you're funny. Oh my god. That's so funny.
It's cool. Hi, puppy.
That's hilarious.
Yeah. En nuestro sueño. Look at that thing. What?
You've got
Mm-hmm.
what? What does your brother say about that?
Oh, he doesn't know it.
He's gonna be happy.
I hope so. Because I told you, whenever something comes from there, so. But
Yeah.
like, I'm gonna bring him on board with something else, like related to that, like the same thing, but a different plan. But like, let's see if he's up to. I understand he doesn't have much time to participate or to work on it.
Mm-hmm. 2 babies.
Yeah, but I think we have to find a way to work on it because I don't want to do all the job only me. Which I'm okay. I'm enjoying it, but
Who are you?
what?
Who are you?
This you know. You hold AMD? You have the proof that that's a good price there? Probably. It may do a shakeout. That's all my only concern. Like Nvidia is doing a shakeout. So
A pay package for Elon Musk?
Oh, he's fighting for that from long ago.
Yeah, but I didn't think they were at the pay package.
And what they were at.
I thought that they were saying, hey, you know what? Hey, we might be.
It was
What
denial,
the-
I know.
Eh?
They denied that last time. A judge didn't say to no.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know that he like it's a freaking smart thing? But since the beginning, he doesn't have a salary in Tesla. He received stocks.
Okay.
Ay. This is gonna sound wrong, but so he received stocks from the thing,
Okay.
and like his salary is like he goes to the bank and he get money in his. So he literally is paying only in 50% of the profit of the thing because you don't pay taxes in debt. So he's not paying taxes in income. So he's only paying taxes in the stock profit.
Are you sure about that?
I was reading about that in the internet. Like let's just research it. So in case I am talking crap, like let's see, because the internet is the internet and we hear many things. So Elon Musk salary or yeah, he doesn't have a salary. It's exactly the Elon Musk. So Elon Musk has confirmed he received no salary from Tesla, despite the company's value increasing significantly over 7 years. This followed a legal battle over 2008 award initially valued in 56 billion, later packing 146 billion, but has cancelled by Delaware judge. Like that was the last one. But so and like if you see, Elon Musk will receive the and how he receive it in share discounted price. So then he go to the bank and he say, I own this amount of shares. I want this amount of money. So you don't pay taxes in money that you own. You pay taxes in your salary. So he's super smart. It's legal, and it's legal to do it.
That's not right. That's not right.
It blew off my head when I see that at first, but then you think he's like it's the smartest guy that we know. So
And he's been
for
hanging
sure
around.
he will be.
Expert tax invader.
Oh, like
Tax
let's say
invader.
there is a calculation for that. What is the actual Elon Musk salary per month, let's say? Just calculate it. Calculate it and give me the raw number. Gemini, that's why ChatGPT is doing a little bit better than you right now. Okay, zero salary. ChatGPT is so freaking smart. Of course, you are asking the wrong question. Okay, so so give me just income as I know that he does not has an actual salary. Man, Nvidia is not holding, so oh, we don't want to see that number, Marie.
We don't
So
wanna see the
current
number?
income from this award, 2.42 billion per month. Like Gemini had it correctly. It has it in August. But like, where did it say? It said it somewhere here. And I said like, what? No, that's not possible. It's just I saw the number too big and I said no, it's not.
Wow.
Ay, papi. So you divide that per hour, and just per hour he's making more money than whatever some people have been able to see in their life. How many hours? Let's say even the one that he's sleeping. So
Yeah, but you're going full hour. You're not doing 8 hours a day.
no, that's what I'm saying. Let's calculate even the hours that he's sleeping. So
Ah, okay.
so the guy is making just $3,675 per hour alive. So it's like, yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's insane, man.
Right?
Pretty cool stuff, you know. Good for you, my guy. Hopefully you do better with your political thing. I really wish him doing good, like, but it's just like
Of course.
that political side that we all know that got a little bit thrown out. Sketchy. So Tesla is not holding right now, so I don't want to see it breaking that low there. So I'm probably gonna be out if you break 344. 344.00 is gonna be my stop loss. It's just not holding, so I don't have much reasons to hold Tesla for longer. So I say 344. If you break 344, get me out. So my order is in for the stop loss on Tesla. It's not that I don't want the trade. I want the trade, but it's just not working. It's probably gonna go to 340. So yeah. Nvidia is playing with fire, but as Marie said, like it was at like that name was a 165, and this is the different, like the opposite thing than AMD. So though AMD at 150, I think AMD at 150 is a good holding. So like it is holding 150 quite well. So but like 150 probably to 154, but the 154 I don't think AMD is gonna be able to surpass it today, and it's just because of the size that was in there. So I didn't see anything like that on Nvidia, but right now Nvidia, if we manage to hold 165 for good, I think it can come back all the way to 168, and yeah, let's see if that's correct. So Tesla, it went very close to the price I wanted, but for the short, like, but I was probably too picky about it. Like Tesla, the high was 355.87, and I wanted to short it at 357. So yeah, let's see what it wants to do. As I say, you are still in the. Today my number of tickets is a little bit lower because I didn't jump into many things, but yeah, let's see how we do. I have been ignoring SPY a little bit too much. Holy crap. Did you look at SPY, Marie?
It's right there. In my face.
What happened to SPY?
That's funny. Smart. So I'm listening to something.
Mm-hmm.
Can you mute it?
So we are back. I don't know what happened there, but sellers are not taking it easy today, you know. They are going on vacation probably.
I want the money.
Like Nvidia is roughly 4% down. This is gonna look funny to you, but I'm gonna show it to you. I told you I gave you the run price. The run price is the price I have. Look at the right price.
Wow.
That's the right price.
And that's what you said.
That's the one I mistake by one. I mistake it by $1.25.
Yeah, but I thought you said the right price is 164.50.
Ah, that's where you put it.
No, that's what you said.
That's
after.
what I say. Yeah, like
After.
that is the right.
I gave you
that
the
is
wrong
right
price because the right price is what's the right price, and you said
And you know,
164.50.
you know the red line here
Yeah.
is the alpha. Like that line, Zach doesn't count on it, but I'm gonna make like he gonna talk to me because he say I want to share more things to you.
Okay.
But look at it. Look at that red line. That red line.
Whack.
I'm gonna mute myself. You can. All right, people, we are back, and I'm still holding my trades. As I say, I believe in my trades, and I think they are right. So we just, I was able to get a better price, but I didn't want to miss it, so I just hold it for with the loss in there, and like, as I say, I'm still like about 1 hour down. So I will see by the end of the day. I should be good. Do we gonna go to the other side? I don't know, but those trades are really there. Like they should be bouncing from there. I just like, and I say that, but like I know I didn't have enough time to really do my homeworks. So right now there is a lack of interest for Nvidia at around 166. But hopefully we're gonna be clearing up that 166 soon, because we have major reasons why to go higher. So yeah, let's see what this wants to do. It's gonna be interesting. At the end of the day, I say I wanna make the day bigger than Monday, was it? Or I don't remember. I think it was Monday.
No, it was,
No, it was
Monday.
Tuesday. Because Monday was closed.
No, it was Wednesday.
Wednesday, okay, so I wanna make it bigger than Wednesday, so I have the right amount of shares in the right stock, so let's see.
Yeah, because Tuesday I was sick.
Right, yeah. Entre pobres yo nací. Entre pobres voy viviendo y entre pobres moriré. Oh, honey, pararara, pam, pam. Viste, choga, choga.
You've got that in Spanish? No. That's all?
No.
No.
No, we don't have that in Spanish, but we have listened to the original one for long. You know, yesterday I told you I was going to do my PC thing I have to do.
Yeah, see?
But then, like I say, you know what? Like, what happened normally when you start fixing something or
Yeah.
you get the unexpected item that is missing or lagging or whatever, and like then I say,
I had my yeah.
I say I don't want to sacrifice the trading day just in case something goes wrong, so I'm gonna keep it there. Look at you on AMD. You don't believe it's gonna go to 154.
I just don't see the momentum. And what I'm worried about is that look at how high it is here, right? And look at the
Yeah,
MACDs and the RSI.
look-
It's there,
Look at the low of that candle.
and look at the price.
Look at the low of that candle. What is it? 154. So that's the test. The tests have to be done there. So, because
The test has to become there. If
no,
people,
has to be done there.
yeah, but
ideally today.
if, like, that's why I'm still there. But
like, and this is again like subjects that I have to do more research. But like, if you ask me why the tests have to be done today, because of the 54. Is relatively close, and if it doesn't get to be done today,
it's gonna be
it
a
is-
while.
exactly. But what I mean is that the other side is so critical that you have to do one of the two. Like right, like or you are wrong and it will go down for sure, or it will go to 154. And the reason for that is because like it's just like. Yeah, it's a very close range compared to the overall range,
Of
and
where the
because of the massive volume around there, it kind of has to test it again. Because if it doesn't test it during the day, you go to the other day with uncertainty to where to go. Like what will be preventing it from rallying? well, the same thing that will be preventing from going the other way.
We'll see.
So I'm learning
Because
a little bit on that.
I
but,
love
like,
that.
you know,
I
but
love
it's,
what you're saying because I believe you are correct. Right now, the 60, it was able to, the 150, 160 to go through that. We've got the 88, 90. That's kind of big as well. And that's very close to 152. What I don't like is exactly that, how toppy that is. And
yeah. So, yeah, like it's gonna be cool because, as I said, hopefully next week we can start sharing your screen. So when you are talking like that, you can say, guys, this is what I'm looking at, and like, you know, Epic Pen, like it says free. You can have your Epic Pen and say, this is what I do, and this.
you know what, I'm taking some. Yeah, right
So
there.
that's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah, exactly, right? Oh, you grab your happy pen.
Yeah, my Epic Pen is right here. So I take Epic Pen and I
Okay.
do whatever I do. So
Look, look. I knew there was a little something there is telling me it's so toppy there. Really toppy. It's so toppy, it's at the top.
top.
It's toppy. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Did you want to review, Davey?
Wow. It's pretty cool stuff. Yes, we can do that for sure. So let's see what we do with that. So basically today I had little trades like just fewer trades. Like I didn't trade that much today. Palantir as the every day per week, it has been the worst trade I have been taking have been on Palantir. But at least today, I really respect all my levels. I respect my entry. So I went long here on Palantir. It didn't work. So I went long again. It didn't work. So I left it alone. Just like I know I can get it around here, and like I knew I can get it at a better price, but yeah, the Palantir just didn't work. And again, like I decided to go counter today. I'm gonna try to make sure that Monday I go toward the direction. So Palantir was red. The only this is Nvidia, and I have only one trade on Nvidia, and like I had another trade on AMD. So as I was removing shares like from AMD, like this is a full position, but I removed shares from AMD and I added to Nvidia. Remove share from AMD one more time, added to Nvidia. And this is why I am going a little bit heavier in this one, and I am not taking other trades. But like let's say Nvidia is just an open position right now. It's 0-0 unrealized because I haven't took any partial or I haven't took any loss on it yet. So AMD was the best trade of the day, and like I clearly left a couple things in here. Like I shorted here. It went down, so I was hesitating to be out here. I wanted to be out, but then I say like, you know what, with this big size here, rejecting the VWAP, there is a high chance that this thing is gonna go below, and then it's gonna come and test it. Today, what I was talking to Maria about AMD, it's gonna go to 54, and it's gonna do this here, and when it find no more buyers above, it's gonna just keep going down, but it will need to test 54. There is in my analysis, as I say, no financial advice, it's just my opinion. There is a 90% probability that it will go to 154. Yeah, so that's for AMD. As I say, very good trade on AMD. Then I took some, before I took some Tesla that never worked. I wanted to go short at 157 right here, but it never got
At 357?
357, sorry, thank you. 357, I want to go short on Tesla.
Never got there.
Never got there. And then like I chased the long because I was trying to get long here. but he will go without me. So I say, oh, if he go there, he probably gonna hold. And he went there. I bought a little bit, then I add, and then I took another loss, and then I reload the position again. And I say, I think this thing wants to go to 357, but what I did wrong with all those trades, like Tesla, I am red on Tesla as well. So what I did wrong with all my trades is that I ignore SPY. Like, this is brutal, man. Like, the way that SPY have been selling off, like, yeah, slow and blah blah blah, but it's you have to be watching out what the indexes are doing. At least the way I trade. Like, can it go back up again here? Yes, for sure. But it wasn't there at the moment I was really trading it. So yeah, as I say, I am down 1 hour right now. If I take it there, I'm gonna be flat. But today I have a mission, and that mission is to make the day bigger than Tuesday. I think it was Wednesday. Whatever.
Wednesday.
And like, for me to make it bigger, I'm gonna have to hold Nvidia for a bigger price that I know is not there yet, but yeah, let's see. I think Nvidia is gonna be trading above the VWAP very soon. Probably I can count in 168. But yeah, so that's it for me. What about you, Marie?
Okay, so I started the day with placing orders, right? So I placed the orders. I got almost all of them. So I placed my INTC initially. Remember, I was saying, you know what? I want it at 24.50. But I'm going to front run it a few cents. I got it at 24.54. Then I got it at 24.50. Then I added at 40.
Basically here.
Right there. And then I took a double partial. One was at 24.68. The other one was at 24.70. And then I broke even.
Pretty cool.
I got out at breaking even. Didn't see it after. So I could have, obviously, I had my line
you have
there.
the line at 24.20.
Absolutely. I could have taken it and placed an order at 24.20 and then rid it for the top. But I saw that it was really losing a lot of. So that was INTC. So AMD, I placed my order at 157.
Smoke.
Smoke completely,
Yeah, like-
because I let it go against me way too much. Because I said, you know what, it's going to pull back. It's probably going to be at 154, like the number you were saying. I saw that it was going, it still had velocity. I ran away from it, but it was my biggest loss. So that was AMD. That was a one-shot AMD, which I like. The other one was SoFi. So SoFi was the same thing. I placed my order with the biggest one, which was 25.60. That was the pullback. And then I added again on the pullback at 20.
Around here, yeah.
Yeah, 24.60, 24.70. And I got out at 25.45. So
Yeah.
I said, no. Let's get out of there. And there was NVIDIA. NVIDIA. That was a big loss for me. So I took NVIDIA at 168. I added at 167. I added at 166. And I got out with my tail between my legs at 165.60. Now I am in AMD. So AMD, I went in at AMD at 150.95. Added on the pullback. Yeah, kept adding. I de-risked at one point.
Yeah, I see you did risk at the bottom.
Which is not good, right? I should be doing the reverse. But my price is still 150.95. So I'm, whatever I was doing with de-risking, I did take now, it's working really well. I'm $1.60 in the money. But I did take a partial when it at that double top, because I didn't take it the first time and I was beating myself up. Now this time I said, you know what, I'm gonna take it no matter
It's always
what.
when you take it that it breaks, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
I was, right? And
basically
you're
what
saying-
she's saying here, like
Ugh.
she got those prices here, like long, and here she hesitate to take a partial because she say, oh, it may go higher. But now that it's going, is that when she took it? Like, I mean, she took
exactly
it now,
at the same price.
and now, yeah.
Yeah,
so-
now it's breaking. So now it's printing very well. Davey, like he said, through our analysis that we were talking about, the 154 should be retested. And when we're looking at here, yes, it right there. That's where I got out the first time was 154 because like that was it. It was too much of a loss. But yeah, that should be the consolidation. And you showed that it's got a lot of volume there.
The craziest thing I find about this is the same thing that we have been saying from probably 2 years ago. With our head, we say, no, that thing won't get there, you know, like it's too far.
It's too far.
I can tell you that today, like, look, Marie, this is where it was when it opened here. So this is Nvidia. It went to the level that I say is too far. PLTR. It went through the two levels that we say is too far. AMD. AMD didn't reach it, but went close. That's why sometimes it's good to start like analyzing where you want to go in before. But like, yeah. So Tesla, like went very close. I'm talking about that this is from 48. That's $10 move. Well, like if
Yeah.
he get there, it's $10, but he made a $7 move toward the hope side. So yeah, watch it out. Be nimble.
Oh no, and the way that I can't believe that right now AMD is at the VWAP, and it looks like it has enough to be able to get to there. And right now we've got a big position at 153, so and which is the VWAP, of course. We've got a big seller, so I am going to be taking some there. But yeah, it's gonna go there. I can't believe it. Like you say, right? We keep saying, look at his face. When we say, yeah, you know what? It's too far. It's too far. It's, SPY is too strong. No.
Yeah, so that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good day. Everybody, like right now, I'm printing good. Marie too is printing good. So let's see if they manifest. As I say, like I think that's the turning. So, like Nvidia showed me a strong reaction toward the bottom I was calling out. Like I wasn't patient enough to get it at the best price, but the price I got it, I priced in that I was supposed to be surviving that price. So I did. It moved exactly about the amount against me. So yeah, right now it's just a matter of let it go, keep doing your job, and like hopefully it doesn't find another liquidity problem. But yeah, it's a good day. So I don't know how I am standing up for the week, but
Look at that, Davey. I know you
I
called
told
it.
you we have
called
to
it.
keep studying those things. It's, yeah, good thing. So, but yeah, that's it. Anything you want to add to? or-
Yes, absolutely. Today. Oy, what a market.
Have a good one, everybody, and we're gonna
Have a
be
great weekend. See you Monday.
See you Monday.